How to stimulate black hair growth using onion, garlic, and cinnamon. Take 1 small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cinnamon stick, and 2 cups of water. Boil the ingredients in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. Afterwards, let the solution cool down and strain it for the liquid. Now, pour the liquid through your hair and let it sit for 15 minutes. Finally, rinse it off with lukewarm, cool water. For best results, repeat this remedy every day for a week. Does onion juice and cinnamon for hair loss work? Onion juice brings luster and shine to the hair. It's known to help with scalp infections, prevent premature graying of hair, and treat dandruff. Due to its high sulfur content, it can aid with healthy hair growth, thus preventing hair loss. It's important to remember that it is not a standalone cure for hair loss. On the other hand, a study showed that cinnamon can stimulate hair growth and increase the size of hair follicles. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.